Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to create this responsive portfolio website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. This is a grass morphism type portfolio website. You can see the effect, and you can see the effect of typing effect, that is nothing but using the typed JavaScript library. We are doing this freelancer web developer. You can see a typing effect. Then we have hover effect on the buttons. You can see the background color change, as well as hover effect on the social media icons. You can see, and our portfolio, and you can see continuous infinity loop background design that we have created for the dots. It will move continuously, you can see them. And then you can see the chart section. Welcome to the chart. This is one of the online charting section that I've created here. Then we can go to the next section, that is about section. This is the about section. You can see the portfolio image, the border curvature that we have done, and how neatly we have aligned the skills using the glass morphism type. Then we have the education, download CV, as well as contact me button. And you can go to the experience section. You can see how neatly we have aligned them all. Then we can go to the portfolio section. This is the portfolio section. You can see how neatly we have aligned all our projects. And whenever you click on this view project button, a new page opens with your portfolio image as well as details, like when it was created, technologies used, role, and online demo. You can click on this button for that viewing that project. You can see smooth transitions. There's no delays or any type of errors. Smooth transition. You can see easily we are able to visit the website as well as exit the website. Then we can go to the contact me section. This is the contact section. We have the type functions here, then send message button, social media icon. You can see the hover effect and background color change. This website is entirely responsive, that is, it is also available in mobile as well as in tab version. Let me show you that. This is the desktop version of the website. Now let's go to the mobile version. This is the mobile version of the website. You can see how neatly they have aligned exactly the center and well spaced. Then we can go to the next section, about section. This is the about section. You can see perfectly aligned with the size of the screen, that is for the mobile device. Then we can go to the projects, this portfolio. You can see how they are aligned. And next, contact me section. Perfectly aligned. And this website is entirely responsive. It is great for mobile, desktop, tab versions. You can use it for professional as well as personal use. It will give a very good impression for the recruiters. And the source code is available in the description. If you like the content, please do like, share and subscribe. Definitely try to visit the channel for more amazing tutorials. The line by line code has been explained, and it will give a very good intro into the web development, and you will be able to learn HTML, CSS and JavaScript by doing these practical projects. Thank you.